Hello, I'm Angel from the McLeod Library, and I'm excited to be celebrating the Pioneer Library System's Summer Learning Challenge with you. I hope you have fun this summer reading and learning with your friends and family. Learn more about the challenge and sign up on the Pioneer Library System's website today. Today we're going to be making unicorn slime. We're going to have so much fun. The ingredients that you need for your unicorn slime are Elmer's glitter glue, and other glues may not work because of the recipe makeup. We've also got glitter to match, so we're going to be making 3 batches, pink, blue, and gold. You're also going to need to have baking soda on hand for this, just a little bit. And the other ingredient is a saline solution. Now your saline solution needs to include boric acid and sodium borate in the ingredient list. If you want a little bit stretchier slime, you'll need just a little bit of water. So let's get started. Okay, it's time to gather your ingredients. Get a bowl to mix everything in. Pour your entire bottle of glitter glue into the bowl. It does take a little bit of time. Be patient. And the next thing you're going to do is add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it in thoroughly. So you've got 1/2 teaspoon right there. I'm going to mix that in thoroughly. Now, here's where you're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. You can add a little bit more if you find that it's necessary. Got our water right there. Mix that in a little bit, and then it's time for the glitter. This is however much you desire, however much glitter you like. So we're going to add quite a bit here because I like glitter. And mix that in. It's not slimy yet because we haven't mixed in the saline solution, but that's coming up. Okay. All right, we're going to add the saline solution, and that's going to make that chemical reaction, making it into slime. I've got a glass bowl so you can actually watch that reaction. See how it's starting to get a little slimy? Just keep stirring and mixing, and then you're going to have to get your hands in it. We're going to take it off of the spoon there and get as much of the slime out of the bowl as we can and start kneading it with our hands. All right, knead it, knead it, knead it. You really got to knead it a lot until it's what consistency that you're looking for. Now, if it's a little too sticky for you, you can add just a little bit of lotion or baby oil to your hands. I think mine's really good. It's pretty slimy. Have fun playing with it. So there you have it, unicorn slime. We made blue, and then following those same instructions, I made gold and pink. Elmer's glitter glue comes in lots of different colors, and so does glitter. So imagine the possibilities. And of course you can mix it together and play with it like that too. So thanks for joining me in kicking off the Pioneer Library System's Summer Learning Challenge. Sign up today and start logging your activities. You can count our time together as a learning activity for the Summer Learning Challenge. Thanks and have a great day.